Hi, I'm Hiko Ritz, salesman at Haug Implement in Wilmer, Minnesota. Sell a full line of John Deere equipment, and then we do carry some short line stuff, and we sell Salford. The Salford's been a real good product. They really process the material nice, and it breaks down fast behind them. Getting our ground warmed up faster in the spring for better emergence. I've been running mine now for 3 years now, and it's really worked out well. I think they make a very good tillage tool. I sell a lot of 2100s, 2200s, and the 4100, 4200, and we've been doing more with the hydraulic shank option now. The Salfords have been holding their value very well, and a lot of demand for them. We have a lot of people that want to rent them, but we just don't have enough on hand to rent out. It seems like they all fly out the door so fast that you don't have always machines to rent. Usually if we get a customer that's interested, we try to narrow it down to what we think would fit the best for them, and then we bring them out and do a demo for them. We had a Salford demo this summer or this fall on some sweet corn ground. We had a bunch of different machines running so they could see the different applications you can do with different machines. Salford's been really good to adapt and make changes. I'm pretty impressed with how fast they can respond versus most companies. One thing that really impressed me a couple years ago, they had a meeting at Big Iron in Fargo, and they had a lot of the people from Salford there. And most companies, all they want to do is tell you about the new stuff, and you got to sell more. At that meeting, it really surprised me because all they wanted to know was what they had to fix to make it better. And that kind of impressed me. So. Well, I have a hard time selling something that I don't believe in. The first couple of years I worked here, I couldn't have gave you a Salford because I did not believe in them. And then after being around them, now I own one. And I just have a hard time selling something that I don't think works.